Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change body shape in Photoshop. First open the Photoshop and open New Image, then go to the Select menu, and click on the subject. Then go to the Layer menu, and click on the New to Layer via Copy. Then go to the Layer panel, and click on the Adjust icon, and select Solid Color, and make white color. Then go to the Edit menu, and click on the Puppet Warp, and add the anchor. Do this, and adjust the image. Now change body shape in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.